Let's talk about making business calls when you're on the move. It usually means juggling apps, right?
Yeah, if you're out there trying to close deals, you know the pain of switching apps for every call.
That constant back and forth just kills your time and breaks your focus during important conversations.
Well, Begin's latest Android update is a total game changer, putting calling right inside your CRM.
It gives you 3 really solid ways to make your calls, so you can pick what works for you. Okay, let's dive into that built-in option, because this is where things get really simple.
It means you can make and take all your calls without ever having to leave the Begin app.
Starting a call is now super easy. You just tap the call icon from a few different spots.
And get this, while you're on the call, all the important info you need is right there.
You can see their open deals, or, hey, even add a new number as a contact on the spot.
And the second you hang up, you can add notes and set follow-up tasks. Nothing gets missed.
So it's your choice. Use the super smooth built-in feature, or connect with your current provider.
Just a quick heads up though, you've got to do the initial setup on your computer first. After that, you just pop into the mobile app and pick how you want to make your calls. Simple.
So, ready to make your life easier? Just go update your Begin app in the Play Store.
And if you've got questions or ideas, the Zoho mobile team would definitely love to hear them. Seriously, think about it. This isn't just about calls. It's about getting back so much of your day.